Fixing leaky faucets, an essential English lesson for home maintenance. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic within the realm of home maintenance and repairs. You'll not only improve your English language skills but also learn useful phrases and terms related to fixing leaky faucets. We'll go through some common situations, how to describe them, and how to discuss possible solutions. First, let's go over some crucial vocabulary. When you notice a faucet leaking, you might need to describe the issue. Here are a few phrases and words you could use. 1. Leaky faucet. This is the general term for a faucet that is dripping water when it shouldn't be. 2. Dripping. This describes the action of water falling in small drops. It's the term we usually use to talk about a leaky faucet. 3. Tap. This is another word for faucet, particularly used in British English. Example sentence: I have a leaky faucet in my bathroom. The tap keeps dripping even when it's turned off. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to talk about possible solutions. Here are some phrases that might come in handy. 1. Call a plumber. This is what you do if the leak is too big to handle on your own or if you're not comfortable doing the repair yourself. 2. Tighten the tap. This could be a simple solution if the faucet is dripping because it's not completely turned off. 3. Replace the washer. The washer is a small part inside the faucet that can wear out over time, causing the faucet to leak. Replacing it can often fix the problem. Example sentence: I might call a plumber to fix my leaky faucet. Or, maybe I could tighten the tap or replace the washer. If you need help with a repair or you're hiring someone to do it, it's important to be able to ask questions. Here are a few examples of how you can phrase these. 1. What seems to be the problem? 2. How can I fix it? 3. How much will it cost to repair? 4. How long will it take? Example sentence: I've called a plumber for my leaky faucet. I asked him, what seems to be the problem? He mentioned it might be a worn-out washer, and I asked, how much will it cost to repair? And there you have it. Today, we have learned how to talk about a common household problem, a leaky faucet, discuss possible solutions, and ask the right questions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases and terms in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more fluent in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.